Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are here, you want to install Laravel in your Windows machine or Ubuntu. So today we will do the installation of Laravel 9 in my Windows machine. So before doing anything else, what we need to know, like what we need to install Laravel in your system. So there are some basic things we have to install already in our system. So let me write something here, like what we need. So because like Laravel use a lot of packages from other open source libraries. So to install packages from in PHP, there is a package manager called Composer. Okay, so it's must, like this is must be installed in your system already. After that, PHP 8.0 or greater than. Okay, greater than, sorry, equal to PHP, equal to, like greater than or equal to it. So like this is a requirement PHP thing, and some other PHP extension and library. I will tell you when we will go for the Laravel documentation. I will show you what other extension needed in term of to install Laravel 9. Okay, so the two things, and one database, like for here we will use MySQL. You can use any other database as of your choice. So for Windows there is a setups which install all the things for you, called jam. So I'm not going to install the jam because I have already installed jam. So jam provide you, like what is provides, like PHP, MySQL and Apache. Okay, so these three things are needed to run the PHP in the, in your to make an environment where a PHP script can run. So using XAMPP, you will be get a PHP, MySQL and Apache, or sometimes it also give you MariaDB. So it's totally fine, no problem. So using XAMPP, you will be able to create the PHP environment for your uh, all the PHP things, like either you are using Laravel, CI, Coordinator, Falcon, or some other PHP frameworks. So these are the mandatory things you must have in your system, OS system. Okay, so now I already installed. So let me show you Composer thing, CMD. Let me check it will work here, or I have to go to the directory. Yeah, okay. So you can see here, when I run the Composer command. So like there one more thing I want to tell you, like to check Composer is installed in your system or not. So you have to run simple just Composer command as I run. So it will display all the detail about the Composer thing. Okay, so I have already installed the composer. Okay, I will close this one, and now I will go for the Laravel documentation. Laravel. So documentation, make sure you are choose the correct version. So I'm going to the for the Laravel 9. And I was talking about the some extension like PHP other extension. So like they are defined here in the new documentation, like PHP is greater than or equal to PHP 8, and BC math extension, C type, C curl, DOM, file info, JSON, MB string, OpenSSL. I already have this extension. To check this extension, one way what we can do, we can create a file inside the like our XAMPP HTTP docs. Here I will create a file demo.php. Okay, it will ask for you like you are changing the file extension name. So you are you sure? You have to press yes, because like this is only PHP extension. We are not creating any other file or viruses thing. So you can just click here, and you have to open this using any editor, like any editor you wish to open. So I will go for the where the notepad plus plus, and just type here PHP info. Okay friends, okay, so it will tell you all the thing. Before running this demo or PHP file script in browser, you have to first run your PHP environment. So I have installed XAMPP, so I have to run the XAMPP server first. Apache start, MySQL start. Okay, so they are also defining the PIIDs and ports. So MySQL going to start, so it may take some a little bit more time. It's showing like MySQL shut down unexpectedly. Maybe I have some other installation, maybe that's why it's doing the problem things. So okay, we will figure out later MySQL thing, because we don't need now MySQL. Maybe there is a port error. So our we will able to do that installation using the Apache. Like it will be able to run the PHP script. So our MySQL will not work for now. So 1 second, localhost demo.php should run. Okay, PHP version 8.0.111. Okay, so what you can do, like if you're not sure, so you can just copy this PC math and search here. Okay, like in this way you have to search everything, like do you have the do you have all the required extension whatever they are asking for. Okay, like video support, like whatever they mention, you should have every extension. Sometimes what happen, we install PHP, we didn't get all the extensions, so you have to install these extension. Okay. But most of the time Jamp provide all the extensions, so you don't need to worry about that. So as we have all the extension which is needed by PHP uh, Laravel installation. Okay. Yeah, so we have all things, like whatever the needed things. So we will go for the installation. We will do everything from the documentation. So here is the your first Laravel project. So I'm just doing the main thing, because like I can't explain every the documentation detail. You have to read out by yourself. So I will just copy this command, which is responsible to create project using Laravel. So just copy this one. We'll open the terminal, cmd, and you have to go to your Jamp. So like I have installed my Jamp on directory D. I will go for Jamp and ht docs. Okay, and we will paste. So you have to just right click and it will paste everything in your terminal. So I will name it test Laravel. Okay, you have to do nothing. I will just display you everything, and you have to run this command. I'm just doing the full screen so you will be able to understand. So like I'm using composer, create project, Laravel. This is default command provided by Laravel. Using composer you can do the things. So just run this one. You can see here it's showing creating Laravel project at test Laravel. So it will take maybe 1 minute or more than 1 minute. It totally depend on your internet speed and package installation things. So I think I have a good speed, so maybe it will not take much time for me. And I will also explain you how to use the starter kit in Laravel 9. So maybe in the next lecture I will display you all the thing about the starter kit, but in this lecture I will end with the installation thing only. And one more thing I want to tell you, in next lecture what we will do, like we will do install the starter kit using React. Yeah, in the front end we will use React. So as you can see, Laravel has have installed successfully in my directory. So we will go for the our folder. We have to navigate test Laravel, and we have to run the command php artisan ser, just php artisan ser. So it's started. So you have to copy this one and just paste in the browser. So as you can see friends, like Laravel 9.2.3 is successfully installed in your machine, like in my machine. So in that way you have to install. If you are finding any difficulties or anything when you are installing Laravel 9, so you can comment me in the channel. So like I will be able to answer that. Maybe I will hope I will able to answer your question. So yeah, thank you.